Are you ready? Set, go! Let's embellish this beret together. Thank you for deciding to join me in embellishing this beret. As you can see, I've got my accessories ready, different buttons of different sizes and shapes, and I've got pearls, half pearls of different colors. Alright, so the next thing you do once your accessories are ready is that you do a sampling. Sampling gives you the opportunity to bring your ideas into reality. Also, you will be able to make necessary adjustments and try out several options until you are satisfied with what you come up with. Once you are satisfied with the sampling, you can now go ahead and take a picture of what you have done. The next thing is to sew your buttons on the beret using a thread and a needle to secure the buttons firmly on the beret. Okay, you don't need to glue the buttons, just tack it firmly on your beret. And please be careful with the needle so you don't get hurt. Please click the subscribe button right away if you haven't done so. And like my content as well, share my page with others. And I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think so far about what we are doing? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The pearls are the next to go right in there. So just arrange your pearls in the position you want them to be and pick them one after the other and glue them right in their positions. I'm sure some of my Nigerian folks will be wondering why I'm calling this item beret. I've been saying beret for some time, and I'm sure it doesn't ring a bell in their ears. This is because we grew up to call it beret. It's not beret, it is beret. Beret. The American pronunciation is beret. Then the British pronunciation is beret, beret. All right, so you can choose either of the two. Beret, I prefer to call it beret, American pronunciation. Beret. Please, going forward, pronounce it rightly. I hope that's cool. Good. Now let's check out the masterpiece. Beautiful. What do you think? This is so cute. Amazing. How do you look? You look fabulous. My model is rocking it so well. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.